Did you know that by 2025, experts predict that AI will be integrated into nearly every tech gadget we use, from smart fridges that suggest recipes to wearables that monitor your health in real time? Today, we're exploring the hottest tech gadgets that are set to revolutionize our lives in 2025, from smart home devices to wearable tech. As technology rapidly evolves, it can be overwhelming to keep up with the latest trends and determine which gadgets are truly worth your attention. With so many options available, it's easy to get caught up in the hype and invest in something that doesn't quite live up to its promise. We've all been there, buying a gadget that seemed amazing at first, only to realize it was just But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll cut through the noise and show you the top tech gadgets of 2025 that are truly worth your investment. From products that make our lives easier to those that are pushing the boundaries of innovation, we'll dive into what makes them so special. And we'll explore how they're solving real-world problems in creative ways. In recent years, we've seen tremendous growth in the tech industry, with new startups and established companies alike investing heavily in research and development. This has led to an explosion of innovative products that are changing the way we live, work, and interact with each other. But with so many options available, it can be hard to separate the winners from the losers. That's why we're here to give you the inside scoop on the top tech gadgets of 2025. We'll showcase the top 5 tech gadgets of 2025, discussing their features, benefits, and how they solve everyday problems in innovative ways. From gadgets that make our homes smarter to wearables that monitor our health, we'll cover it all. And we'll give you a sneak peek into what makes each one so special. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to upgrade your daily routine, this video is for you. Our number 1 gadget is a smart home device that's taking the world by storm. With its advanced AI capabilities, it's able to learn your habits and preferences, adjusting your home's temperature, lighting, and security to create the perfect environment. But that's not all. It can also integrate with other smart devices, creating a seamless and automated home experience. We'll dive deeper into its features and benefits and show you why it's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their smart home setup. Our second gadget is a wearable that's revolutionizing the way we track our health. With its advanced sensors and AI-powered algorithms, it's able to detect potential health issues before they become major problems. And it's stylish and comfortable to wear, making it the perfect accessory for anyone looking to take their health to the next level. Our third gadget is a smartphone that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With its advanced camera system and AI-powered features, it's able to capture stunning photos and videos like never before. And its long-lasting battery life and sleek design make it the perfect companion for anyone on the go. Our fourth gadget is a smart speaker that's changing the way we interact with our environments. With its advanced AI capabilities, it's able to recognize and respond to voice commands in real time, making it easier than ever to control your smart home devices, play music, and get information. And its sleek design and compact size make it the perfect addition to any room. And finally, our fifth gadget is a state-of-the-art VR headset that's taking gaming to the next level. With its advanced graphics and AI-powered features, it's able to create immersive and realistic experiences like never before. And its comfortable design and advanced controllers make it easy to use for hours on end. Stay tuned for our spotlight gadget that combines AI and convenience, changing how we interact with our environments and each other. This gadget is a game changer, and we can't wait to share it with you. In summary, these gadgets represent the cutting edge of technology, enhancing our lives while making tasks easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to upgrade your daily routine, these gadgets are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our next video on top gaming tech for 2025 and share your thoughts in the comments below.